In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail. If you've ever cleaned up your inbox and moved messages out of sight, then later needed to find one of those emails again, Gmail makes that possible with a quick search. Archived emails are not deleted and they're not gone forever. They're simply removed from your main inbox view, which helps keep your inbox less cluttered while still saving the messages in your account. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen where you can see your messages and the search bar at the top. This search bar is one of the fastest ways to find specific types of emails, including archived ones. Once you're in your inbox, click into the search field at the top of the page. In that search bar, type in archive. This is a Gmail search operator that tells Gmail to show messages associated with the archive category. Be careful to type it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces in the middle. Using the correct format helps Gmail understand exactly what you want to find. After you enter that search, Gmail will begin showing matching results or suggestions. The emails that appear are your archived emails. In other words, these are messages that are no longer sitting in your inbox, but are still safely stored in your Gmail account. This is especially useful if you know you archived something earlier and want to pull it up again without scrolling through all your folders or labels. If you see the email you need, you can simply click on it to open it and read it, like any other message. This method is useful because archived emails can sometimes feel hidden if you're not familiar with Gmail's search tools. Instead of manually checking different sections, the search bar gives you a direct way to bring those messages back into view. A helpful tip here is that Gmail search can be combined with other keywords if you're looking for a specific archived email. For example, if you remember part of the subject line or the sender, you can add that to your search later to narrow the results. But the main thing to remember is that typing in archive is the key first step for locating archived messages. That's all it takes. Open your Gmail inbox, click the search bar, type in archive, and review the emails that appear. With this simple method, you can quickly find archived emails anytime you need them.